Well, here we go again. As you can tell by the title, Nobel School. This is about 20 days into the demolition, and I'm gonna throw on a little bit of tunes. We're gonna take a walk around and see what we can see. It's a windy day, so in case you're wondering, sometimes that's why I do the tunes. But anyway, here it is, Nobel School. And yeah, it's about 20 days into the demolition. Let's do it. Looks like just a little piece of the north end of the building is left. Wow, look at this. This place was a pretty bad eyesore, especially for back in this area. Bricks and beams. All the beams over there. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. There's a good picture. All right, let's take a look. Walk around, see the old sidewalk. Sure looks a lot cleaner back here, that's for sure. This building was terrible. Mold, anything you can think of that goes along with something being abandoned for a long time is along here. So peaceful and quiet back here. Big shout out to the worker. I'm sorry, I can't remember the name right off the top of my head, but I seen in the comment that you were saying to come back out there. Hopefully I get to meet you. I work it on the weekends. It's kind of hard for me to roll out of bed and jump right on it, so I appreciate the shout out, and tell me to come back out here. Here was the office. See, there's a little bit left of the building. Boy, they would tear this stuff down. Look at that. I want to take a second to thank everybody out there for supporting the channel and enjoying the videos, and let me know you're enjoying them. It means so much to me. It really does keep me going. After 6 years, I need a motivation every now and then to, instead of sitting around and chilling at the house or doing something else, I come on and do these. I just think it's very important, for whatever reason that is, to document these places. And definitely think it's important to document them getting torn down. And after that, look at that. That's it, the last of it. Look at that. There's a great shot of exactly what was wrong with this building. It all looked like that. Last corner to be torn down. Yeah, this place was moldy and stunk. See, everything's kind of moldy looking. There's one last room. I don't have my light with me, so here's the last room. The last room to survive. Can't miss a shot. It's a once in a lifetime shot. Not only that, look at that. How about that? All right, and that's that. Nobel School. There's one shot I passed up that I wanted to get. And there's back of it, there's the playground over there. The old playground. I actually have a video on this if you would like to see it. Nobel School, the playground remains. There. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave your comments, suggestions. If you would like to join the members only, you can see behind the scene videos that I make especially for behind the scene supporters, which is for $9.99 a month. You can join and see over 250 never seen videos. Some of them are too hot for YouTube. Some of them are very controversial. Some of them are just goofy and special, but I think if you enjoy the channel, you would definitely enjoy the members only. And it does help put a little bit of gas in the car and help me out with a few things, you know. Plus, it just shows you support. Coming up on 10,000 subscribers soon. I don't share my stuff out on social media really, other than Facebook pages. If you would like to see what we do over there on the Facebook side of things, there is a page. It's a private group called Exploring Northwest Indiana. Send a request and you get in there and check out stuff from all the people who love going around taking videos, exploring, and a lot of pictures from around the area. Bunch of good people. Once again, I'm Storm. If you just now find the channel, welcome. If you've been here with me for the 6-year ride, thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. And if you'd like to see more, you know, go visit Steel City Storm at YouTube. If you're not a member or a subscriber, please do that. Show your support. See you next round. And goodbye, Nobel School.